Have you ever wondered what it takes to turn a towering tree into a simple sheet of paper? The story is far more fascinating than you might think, and it all begins in carefully managed forests. Here, trees are specifically grown and harvested for production. Once cut, they're transported to a paper mill, where they are debarked and sliced into small wood chips. This is the very first step, turning raw wood into the foundational material for almost every paper product we use. From notebooks to packaging, inside the factory, a transformation begins. The wood chips go into a process called pulping, which breaks them down into individual fibers. There are two main methods. Mechanical pulping is like grinding the wood down, which is quick and yields a lot of pulp. Chemical pulping, on the other hand, uses solutions to dissolve the natural glue holding the fibers together, resulting in stronger, higher quality pulp. What comes out is a soft, wet, fibrous mass that looks nothing like the paper on your desk. Next, this raw pulp needs a serious cleanup. It's washed, screened, and refined to remove any impurities like dirt or uncooked wood bits. To make the process more sustainable, many mills will blend this fresh pulp with recycled paper fibers, reducing waste and our reliance on new trees. This cleaned up mixture is then diluted with a large amount of water, creating a slurry that's about 99.5% water and only 0.5% fiber. This watery soup is the key to creating a uniform sheet. Now for the magic. The slurry is pumped onto a massive, fast-moving mesh screen called a forming wire. As water drains through the mesh, the fibers interlock and begin to form a fragile, wet mat. It's amazing to watch this mat take shape in just a few seconds, but at this point, it's still incredibly delicate and soaked with water to strengthen it. The newly formed sheet is sent through a series of huge rollers that press out more water, compacting the fibers together and making the sheet denser and stronger. After pressing, the damp sheet glides into the drier section, which can be as long as a football field. It weaves through dozens of steam-heated cylinders that evaporate the remaining moisture. This stage requires incredible precision to hot, and the paper could burn. Too cool, and it won't be stable. Once it emerges, we finally have a dry, continuous roll of paper. But the journey isn't over yet. This giant roll then moves to the finishing area. Here, it can be smoothed out, coated to become glossy, or given a special texture. This is where paper gets its personality, whether it becomes a page in a magazine, a sturdy cardboard box, or a sheet of fine art paper. Highly skilled workers and advanced machinery monitor everything from thickness to color, ensuring every roll meets strict quality standards. So how do paper companies market their products in our digital world? They focus on what makes their paper special, its brightness, how well it prints, its strength, and especially its environmental credentials. You might see labels like FSC or PEFC, which tell you the paper comes from responsibly managed forests, even with screens everywhere. Paper is irreplaceable for packaging, official documents, and creative projects. The industry continues to innovate, creating new textures and finishes that offer a tactile experience a screen just can't replicate. From a tree in a forest to the finished product in your hands, the journey of paper is a remarkable blend of natural resources and incredible engineering. It's a hidden world that quietly powers so much of our daily lives. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this look behind the scenes, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.